Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. ATCERA, as a leader in the field of aluminum nitride substrates, is committed to driving innovative applications of this material to provide high-performance solutions for the semiconductor, optoelectronics, and automotive industries. In the semiconductor industry, ATCERA aluminum nitride substrates are ideal for high-power devices such as transistors and diodes due to their excellent thermal management performance. These devices generate a lot of heat during operation, and the efficient heat dissipation capability of the aluminum nitride substrate allows the devices to operate stably at higher power levels without being damaged by overheating. In addition, ATCERA aluminum nitride substrates play a vital role in the manufacture of gallium nitride GaN devices that are critical for high-frequency and high-efficiency applications such as wireless communications and radar systems. In the field of optoelectronics, ATCERA aluminum nitride substrates also show extraordinary potential. It is widely used in the manufacture of light-emitting diodes, LEDs, and laser diodes, which are extremely demanding for thermal management. In addition, the optical transparency of aluminum nitride in the ultraviolet UV range makes it an ideal material for UV LED applications, bringing revolutionary advances in areas such as sterilization and curing processes. As the automotive industry's demand for advanced driver assistance systems ADAS and electric vehicles EVs grows, so does the need for reliable and efficient electronic components. ATCERA aluminum nitride substrates play a key role in automotive electronics such as power modules, converters and inverters. Their high thermal conductivity and electrical insulation ensure optimal performance in the harsh automotive environment. ATCERA aluminum nitride substrate, with its excellent thermal management performance, optical transparency and electrical insulation properties, shows a wide range of applications in many high-tech fields such as semiconductors, optoelectronics, and automotive. Contact ATCERA right now.